I'd be the smartest kid at retarded.
You'd be the magna cum laude?
Yeah, I'd be like, but I'd fool her. I'd be like, Bendy!
It's mega cheap.
It's mega cheese.
Mini dress.
Mini dress.
Are you sure you don't want me to play a game? I've always...
No. There's no game playing here with you. You're going. Hold on.
All right, thank you.
Teaching special ed. Running around with big fake titties. Special ed. Class, calm down. Please. Just because I have fake breasts and I'm 105 pounds, I'm not a pole dancer here. Big pole in the classroom the kids set up.
Tippy sippy.
Stop saying tippy sippy. I demand respect. Stop saying schmega cheese, Ty. You're acting like I'm not wearing panties or bra. Be some scene. Oh my goodness. Where are we? Do I need to break first?
Yeah,
okay, we gotta get to news. We got